everything's fine. Wouldn't expect any more from this. The situation's in life.
How it worked was you got challenge points, and whoever did the most challenges got to go first. Worked really hard all week long to try and get those things. I got to pick, and they gave you like 60 seconds to go in there. Hate disappointment, so I told myself, even if you're last, it's okay. It's not about the piece. It's getting it done and learning how to do video. So don't worry about the piece. So then, I was like third. And I peeked through the window and picked a piece. If I happened, if no one else picked it, that's what I wanted. It was just the bench. I wanted the bench. I love the idea of painting the bench bright white with stark black contrast with that iodine carbonic stamp.
Wanting to accommodate.
4 hours seemed like a good amount of time, right? Seemed like good. I got the bench red. So I gave it some time and pondered what I wanted to do with it. Once I had a plan, I went to set up my tripod, and I went around I painted the front, and then I started to paint the back, and I moved my tripod, and somehow my tripod got completely messed up. And I lost the top that screwed my tripod together, so my camera just kept flipping around and it wouldn't stay put. Well, I searched on the ground, searched for about 30 minutes looking for the stupid thing to hold the thing together. Admittingly, I got frustrated and I almost lost it. I decided at that point that I would just paint and not film. Then I realized I had just flipped the dumb holder around and the tightener was at the bottom the whole entire time. Then, crisis solved, I got to work and started painting. At that point, I was ready to go.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not anything.
I love stamps.
Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know.
I wanted to talk to you about why I like stamps. I love ironing stamps because they're not a product, they're a tool. It's a one-time $30-ish investment that you can use over and over and over again. It's like a screwdriver for your creativity. There's lots of uses. So it just dictates what your shape is. You can do any kind of texture, any kind of color, any kind of design, and it can go on so many different mediums. You can put it on fabric, on wood, plastic. You can just, it's crazy. I laid down the stamp and just enough yellow peeked through when I peeled up to pick that up to make it really look old world. I loved it. At that point, I was really enthusiastic about the project.
Wake up, honey, I made you.
I could have reused it. I could have put it on the back, on the side, on the front. I could have used it over and over and over again. I thought it's unlimiting. It's just a tool that you can use for many different. So your investment is one time, and then the next month you go buy another one, and then you can mix and match. I love ironing stamps. took that palette knife and I gently just toasted the bread and made that look like it had gotten aged and dinged and tattered with other colors along the way. And I really liked how it framed that piece. It really brought it in and made it cohesive. I loved that palette knife technique of Dion's to do that. At that point, it wasn't just a yellow and black bench. It was a yellow, black, and white bench with character and depth and relationship. And had all those ooey gooey feelings of lost love and forever in your home. I loved it.
Well, don't it seem like a drag?
Applying the wax. So that was such a fun process. It just smoothed on that paint like butter, and it just embraced the texture, and it sealed it. It made it feel soft and inviting. It's like a hug. It's like the whole thing was brought together by just feeling like it had been there forever, and it was going to be loved. It protected it. It gave it a soft finish. It really added depth of color without changing the color. So wax is that last step that you just go, it's awesome. So don't skip the waxing. Embrace each step. You're gonna be like, and then as you go along, you're gonna fall in love with it, and then pretty soon you're committed, and you love it, and then you're done, and you're ready for the next project. It's gonna be great.
The sunlight shades, but what remains is the shade of you. I gotta hold on. The memories are here, but you are gone. You say we're through, it's true, me and you. Your painful words distract the view. Don't you feel it too? In the search for you, I pursue. Maybe I can make a change and feel like I do. I've been trying to forget your smile, our secrets, and your quirky style. The love that you surrender is the one thing I remember. You may not know I'm a believer, persistent like a fever. Those places where you try to hide, I promise I will try.
Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and keep on following us on our adventures. We appreciate you watching. Fun?
Memories are near, but you are
Thank
gone.
you.